Hi families, Mr. O here. Have told a few students after class this week, and taught them a little bit, but I thought I would try to create this video to reach more students and families on how to multiply using Lattice. Students over the last few years have really loved doing multiplying this way, and it's not the only way to multiply. You're more than welcome to teach students how to multiply other ways, but this is one fun tool, and I thought I'd show everyone. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 1-digit numbers, 3 by 1-digit numbers, and 2 by 2-digit numbers. Those are the ones we're really going to focus on when they get to this part in 4th grade, but I thought, again, the more practice they can get ahead of time, plus it's fun, and now parents and guardians can also know how to do this for older siblings and have some fun with it too. So with that, part of it is just drawing the lattice setup for these. So this is a 2 by 2-digit number, so rectangle, line down the middle, and then 2 lines through the corners. You'll see what we do with these. I'm going to try to hustle because we only have a handful of minutes for this video. So now I'm going to multiply, let's say 32 multiplied by 4. Okay, so now we're just going to multiply 2 times 4 in this box. So I'm going to put 8, 0, 8. And then in this square, I'm going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. Now I'm going to cross out the outside numbers. It's really important that we do that, so that way we don't add them with our answer and get an incorrect answer. So now we're just going to go down the slope. So now we're just going to pull down this 8, and it goes just right there. 0 plus 2 is 2, and just bring down the 1. So 32 multiplied by 4 is 128. Okay, now if we're doing a 3 by 1-digit number, we would just build a little bit longer rectangle and build 3 spaces for it. So try to build it as equal as possible. There are templates out there for lattice, but I find it's really helpful and enjoyable for students to be able to draw these on their own. And students that have been able to practice in my years past have been able to do this pretty quickly. So now let's do 494 multiplied by, let's say 7. We'll switch to 3. Very tight squeeze there. So 494 multiplied by 3. So now 4 times 3 is 12. So now 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. And this works because of place value. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. And this is taught in our Ready Reading curriculum as well. And now we're going to cross off the outside numbers. So again, we don't mix them up. And we're just going to go down the slope again. So bring this 2 down. 1 plus 7 is 8. And if this was 10 or greater, we would regroup just like adding and bring the 1 over and add the 1 to these numbers. But of course, we're not doing that way. And 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So our answer is 1,482. So now I'm going to clear the screen so I make room for 2 by 2-digit numbers. We're going to make a window. I apologize again for the speed of this. You're welcome to pause it or go back if you need to. Make a window, and then we're going to make 3 lines through the corners. Oh, I don't like how that looked there. 3 lines through the corners of the windows there. And we're going to multiply 42 multiplied by, 18. So now we just have the 4 squares. Doesn't matter which order you do them in. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. And 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So now again, I'm going to cross out these outside numbers. And we're going to go down the slope again, go down the slide. So bring the 6 over. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. And 4 added to 3 is 7. And there's a 0 here. It doesn't matter. We don't really need this, but 42 multiplied by 18 is 756. Okay, again, this is just for extra practice to have fun, and that way everyone at home knows how to do this too. I'm happy to help share more information, practice more, but I thought it'd be helpful for when they get to this in math time. Thank you very much. Have a great one. Bye-bye.